Hey there, James here from Fireaway. I'm going to introduce you to our newest product, the System Verification Device. This device connects to the control panel and simulates the behavior of a StatX generator. When triggered, the device's LEDs will illuminate, confirming that the control panel has correctly activated and simulated a discharge. This device offers 3 key benefits. 1. It helps prevent false discharges. 2. It confirms the wiring and programming. And 3. Is reusable for future tests. The devices are shipped in packages of 10. Each device features a plastic molded housing equipped with multiple LED lights, 2 dipswitches, and electrical connectors. When using, always connect the device in series and not in parallel. Polarity must be correctly observed when connecting the device to the panel and in accordance to the manufacturer's instructions. For connections involving an E-match protection device, EPD, please refer to the EPD installation instructions, which can be found on our website. This device is compatible with a wide range of panels. Since each panel is unique, it's essential to refer to the table provided in the instructions to determine the correct number of generators to connect and the proper dip switch setting. In today's video, I've connected 3 system verification devices to the Potter PFC 4410G3 panel. Based on the table, I need to set the dip switch to position 2 on all of the devices. I will now activate the circuit to simulate a discharge. After shorting zone 3, you will hear it click. Same with zone 4. Then after the 30-second countdown, the lights in the devices will go off. As you can see, the LEDs illuminated. So if actual aerosol generators were attached, then they would have discharged. Remember, if you are using EPDs, it is critical to discharge them before installing the aerosol generators. As always, if you have any questions about this video or want to see additional videos, feel free to email us at technical@statx.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.